Hi, I'm Shanmukha, and I'm a rising junior at Bridgewater in high school in New Jersey. My project is a gesture-controlled robot with a claw. So the reason I decided to do this project is, from a young age, I've been really interested in robotics in general and engineering in general. So by doing this project, in fact, in my middle school science fair, my middle school science fair project was an NXT robot. So from a young age, I really like robotics. I really like engineering in general. So another reason why I picked this project is because when I was talking to the previous lead instructor, he told me that this is one of the hardest projects that students actually do here. So I wanted to challenge myself. So basically, the way it works is using this glove, I have full control of this robot. So say I wanted to go up, and say I wanted to go down. Right? I can move the cloth and move the motors. Go straight, turns a little bit. I can go back. Yeah, yeah. So I get so basically, my first step in doing this project was getting the flex sensors to work, which are basically attached to the glove. So to do that, I was basically I tested out the values and whatever, and I was able to get them to print on the Arduino. After that, I worked on wireless communications with the XPs. The XPs, as you can see, there's no wire connecting these two. So the XPs are what's enabling the wireless communication between them. After getting the wireless communication to work between them, I basically built the car. I built the car up. I built the chassis. I attached the motors and everything. I put on the power bank, Arduino, and everything. And then finally, I built the claw, and that was my final step. So one of the biggest challenges I had while doing this project is literally 2 days ago, my motors completely stopped working. I was trying to control the car with my glove, it didn't work. I was trying to just run motor code to make the motors move by itself, and it still didn't work. So I was really frustrated, and I was kind of panicking because I had to present in 2 days. And I realized that I was checking out my circuit and everything, and I realized that there was one pin in a wrong place. So I fixed that, and then my motor started working, which made me feel pretty happy. So I have a lot of takeaways from Blue Stamp Engineering. One of the biggest things is that at Blue Stamp Engineering, I was able to learn by doing. And that's really important because I feel that's the best way I can learn. And another thing is I learned not only what to think about, but how to think through my problems and solve them by myself. So yeah, and finally, I learned more in 6 weeks about computer science and Blue Stamp Engineering than I did in 6 months in my intro to computer science class in school. And I hope my computer science teacher doesn't watch this video. Any questions?
Are there practical world applications to that?
Yeah, so basically one thing I was actually reading upon this earlier, and I found out on Google that someone previously made a drone controlled by a glove. So I was reading about that, and it was really cool, and it was a really great application of robotics. So I was really interested in how he did that. Yeah.
Yes, how sensitive are the movements within the glove?
Yeah, so one thing was, this is kind of another problem I faced, but in the beginning, I was getting pretty high values, but as the 6 weeks happened, the values started decreasing because the flex sensor started getting a little bit weaker and weaker. So basically what would happen is the readings I'm getting right now are way lower than the readings I was getting in the beginning, so I had to change my code to adjust that.